Hi, this is Joey Goliardi, and I'm recording the MC1Skips assignment for engi 460. So just going through the pseudocode real quick, I set up and initialized some variables here that I just kind of explained what they were. When you jump down to the result, we want the optimum number of skips that Acme company should hold in inventory. So we input those variables and initialize x as 0. So then you have the calculation algorithm. So for skips equals 1 to k loop, for days equal 1 to n loop. Do Poisson, have a random binomial, it'll take the minimum of the two, and this is the profit equation. And then at the end of the first loop, it will actually sum the total of the columns for each of them. And then based on that, the output of the results will pick the maximum of the sum profit. Or we'll find the max profit, but then also wherever that max profit is, it'll return the column, which is how many skips should be held in inventory. So that's the pseudocode. And then you have the MATLAB code here. And I'll jump into MATLAB and show you that. So you initialized our variables, arbitrary. K can be an arbitrary number of skips just to run through. And then we've got our loops here, how many customers showed up, how many skips were not returned, and it takes the minimum between how many not returned plus the number of customers and the number of skips available. And we'll use that in the profit loss equation. That's why we had to initialize that x is 0. And then this sums the profit and loss over the period of the number of days. So after that, if we run this, change the folder, clear in CLC. And as you can see, it calculated, what's that, 65,000, 224. And it says the optimum number of skips is 28. So if we go here to 28, that looks like the peak of this graph right there. So it's about 28 skips. We run it again. And you can do different numbers other than 50, and it should still be somewhere between 25 and 30. So in conclusion, the number of skips Acme should hold in their inventory ranges from 25 to 30 skips. Less skips than this would produce less profit than is possible, and more skips than this would cost more to the company than being profitable. So thank you for watching.